Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming a bronze look for you all. This is super easy and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So for eyeshadow, I'm taking the Jaclyn Hill palette and I will only be taking one shade from this palette, which I will point to, which is that one. And I'm applying this into the crease. As you can see, the technique I'm using right now, I'm just patting it in there and it's sort of blending out, but I'm going to be taking a blending brush and blend it out, as you can see now.
I think so. Okay, let me just be honest with you. I want you, and okay, I've been running circles all the time, but I want you.
So for the lid shade, I'm applying this color from Kylie's summer collection. I think it was last year, and I'm just applying this on my eyelid. It just kind of highlights the area, and then I'm going to blend it in with that crease color. So I added a thin line to the lash line and some falsies. These are by Tati Lashes. They're in the, what do you call it? The style TL3. So I didn't record any pictures of the products I used for my face, but right now I'm applying the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation with Wet n Wild Photo Focus to the face. I mixed the two foundations. The Wet n Wild one is a little bit too dark, so I mixed it with the Estee Lauder one, which is super light for my skin tone. So they blend really well.
I think so. Okay, let me just be honest with you. I want you, and okay.
For concealer, I'm taking the Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting Concealer. I use this in a lot of my videos just because it's a really good concealer. My favorite at the moment, actually. So by the way, this video is super short. I had planned it to only be a short Instagram 1-minute tutorial, but then I decided to upload to YouTube because I haven't posted anything in about 2 weeks. So my next video will be a little longer because I will prepare it better. But anyways, I hope you guys still enjoy this video.
Keep pushing you away while I want you to stay. I'm lacing cold as ice, but my heart still beats. When I say no, it's yes. I'm putting you to the test.
For contour, I'm taking the Tarte Parquet Princess palette and I'm just contouring my face using that.
I guess so. I am a queen, I need my king. You better not to sin. I think so. Okay, let me just be honest with you. I want you, and okay, I've been running circles all the time, but I want you.
For bronzer, I'm picking my usual bronzer that I've been using all week. It is the MAC Give Me Sun. It just blends in with my skin tone super well, so I enjoy using it. For blush, I used a shade from an Anastasia blush palette. I don't know what it's called, but it's like 4 blushes in one palette, and they're all super pretty blushes. But I just switched between all 4 of them during the week. For highlighter, I'm taking the Anastasia Amrezi, I don't know how to pronounce her name, but I'm taking her highlighter. It's really pretty. One of my top highlighters by far.
Do you really have what it takes? I guess so, I guess so. I guess so, I guess so. I am a queen, I need my king. You better not to sin. I think so, I think so. I think so, I think so. Okay, let me just be honest with you. I want you.
Okay, so that was all for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe down below.